Today we'll learn why the middle class never gets rich, using the most powerful teaching tool ever invented, the samosa. Before you get offended, relax. No, samosa was harmed during the making of this video. The middle class starts with one samosa, their salary, enters a bank like a proud king, and leaves immediately like a kidnapped tourist. First bite, tax, because the government loves your samosa more than you. Second bite, rent, because somehow the house owner thinks his 1982 fridge qualifies as fully furnished. Then come the monthly expenses. Each one is a tiny samosa that looks harmless, but together they become a full family pack. By the time you survive EMIs, the fuel price hike, and your kid's 30,000 rupees drawing class, your main samosa is gone. Middle class logic. First expenses, then savings. This is like saying, first finish the samosa, then I'll taste it. Congratulations. You saved 3,500 rupees this month. At this speed, you'll be rich in a year. 3,098. The truth? Middle class never gets rich because they don't invest consistently. When salary increases, the middle class doesn't upgrade investments. They upgrade lifestyle. A little show-off, a little craving. Wants a 20 rupees samosa? Buys a 200 rupees burger. Needs a normal phone? Buys the Pro Max Ultra Megastar Edition. Reality equals EMI, bro, EMI. But investing 2,000 rupees in an index fund? Risky high. So here's the simple way the middle class can get rich. The 3 Samosa Rule. First samosa, invest. Invest before you spend. This is like keeping the samosa aside before your cousin attacks it. Second samosa, essentials. Rent, groceries, EMIs. These are non-negotiable. You can't tell your landlord, bro, this month I'll pay an exposure. Third samosa, lifestyle. Travel, Zomato gadgets. This one you enjoy guilt-free. Yes, even that 140 rupee samosa from the hipster cafe. Follow the 3 Samosa Rule. Invest consistently. And one day, you won't chase money. Money will chase you. Middle class doesn't need to stop eating samosas. You just need to stop thinking like a samosa. If you like the simple explanation, follow for more. Remember, we remove the confusion, not your money. Thank you.